This is my 2004 Nissan Elgrand Highway Star high-range four-wheel drive van, and it's about to get converted into an off-road photography and camper van. I've just had new suspension fitted to it, off-road suspension, courtesy of a supplier here in Australia, and it has totally transformed the vehicle. I've just been testing it out on some rough tracks and dirt roads around my home, and it performs brilliantly. So for anybody who's thinking of taking their Elgrand anywhere out in the bush, on tracks, trails, that sort of stuff, I highly recommend this suspension kit, and there'll be more details in the video to follow. The Nissan Elgrand is a fantastic vehicle on sealed pavement, but my intention with this vehicle was always to turn it into an off-road capable camper. So during the lockdowns, I fitted a 2 by 1.4 metre Roller Titan roof tray, onto which I fitted a drifter awning, a swing-out toilet room, a pair of max tracks for getting out of sticky situations, my Oztent holder tray, which is also from Drifter, and a big LED driving light. I've also fitted a pair of shovel holder clamps next to the toilet unit. As you can see, the Elgrand sat pretty low when I bought it, and as nice as that looked, it had bugger all wheel travel and it really bottomed out easily. This is how high it sits now with the new suspension, and combined with the excellent Bridgestone Jeweler 697 tyres, it's starting to look a bit more serious. And although the Elgrand lacks low range, it does have switchable all-wheel drive and a lockable centre diff, which works brilliantly on slippery ground. The suspension cost me $3,000 Australian dollars and was designed and fitted by Pettis Suspension here in Melbourne. It's essentially a tweaked kit for an R50 Nissan Pathfinder using a combination of Pettis Sports Rider shocks, Pettis Track Rider coil springs, KYB special heavy-duty shocks, and 14mm camber pins. The result in undulating terrain and corrugations is really outstanding, and it's only going to get better once we add the extra weight of the internal build. Next step is the interior build, so stay tuned for a future video on that, and if you haven't seen part 1 of the van build, I suggest you watch this video over here. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.